Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Steam Tools not working issue or Steam Tools not working problem. Many users are reporting that they were not able to access the Steam on their PC. So if you are also into the same situation and looking for fixes, don't worry, just follow the methods one by one. So the very first method is to restart Steam or exit Steam. So you just have to click on Steam option over here, then click on exit, or you can also go on the arrow icon. Now select Steam, right click on it, then click on exit Steam. So after doing this, check if the problem is resolved or not. Also check if the Steam is running in the background. So you can just go to the search option over here. Now search for Task Manager, and under background process tab, you have to check if Steam is running in the background. So you should also check if Steam is running in the background. You can close it from here. Just simply select it, right click on it, and then click on enter. So this will completely close Steam, and after that launch Steam and check if it's working. If not, next is to run Steam as administrator. So you simply have to go to the search option, and here you have to search for Steam, and here you can see run as administrator. You simply have to click on it and then check if the Steam Tools is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of Steam Tools. So what you have to do is just go to Steam under library section. Here under games, you have to select tools option, remove the games and group by selection, and select all the tools, and you have to check which one is not working. After select the game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, then you have to check if the tools is installed on SSD or not. So for that, you have to go to Steam, click on settings. After that, click on storage, and you have to install it on SSD and make sure there is enough storage space. And after that, check if Steam is working or not. Next is to clear cache on Steam. So for that, go to Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on downloads. After that, go below. Here you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache. So this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You'll need to log into Steam again. So you have to confirm it, and after confirming it, log into Steam once again and then check whether it's working or not. Next is to go offline and again online mode. So go to Steam, click on Steam option. Here you can see go offline. So simply click on it and wait for some time, and again come back to online mode and then check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if your PC have installed any antivirus software, then you are suggested to disable it, and after that check if Steam Tools is working or not. Next is to check for Steam client update. So go to Steam, click on Steam option. Here you can see check for Steam client updates. Simply click on it and it will check if there is any update available. So in my case, it's saying your Steam client is already up to date. If in your case there is an update available, update your Steam to the latest version, and after that launch it and check if it's working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.